As always, guys, don't forget to check the video description down below. I'm partnering with a school now. If you know how the car works, you can fix it. So check the link below for that. It's pretty cool. It's basically a store down there. We also have best price on parts and tools and new service manuals. It gives you diagnosis information, repair information, labor times, cool stuff like that. So check that out. Now, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on your Nissan Altima. It's an old one, 1998. I think it was 1998, 2001. Let's check it out. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple job. Basically, we got our battery here, and I already took this off, but here, I'll stick this back on for a second. You got a 10 millimeter sitting right here. You're gonna take your 10 millimeter and your ratchet, go ahead and loosen that up. There's a ratchet, 10 millimeter, that just loosens up. Then you're gonna twist, and you actually want to do negative first, but it's okay, doesn't really matter. I've never seen it cause a problem. Now, negative side, this is aftermarket, so it's probably like a 13 millimeter nut. If it's the one that came on the car, it's probably a 10. So go ahead and loosen that up, twist, take them off. And then this one's rusted off, but I imagine you have like a little battery hold down right there, and that's probably like a 12 millimeter. So what you do is get you an extension. To have an extension, there's an extension. That's not gonna be long enough, but it'll be get you a longer extension, and it's probably a 12. Go ahead, so your ratchet will be up here, because your extension is going to take you all the way down, lefty loosey. Go ahead and take that all the way out, and then we will just take your battery and ta-da, there you go. So that's our old one, this is our new one. But just a quick and simple project. If you know you're a beginner at this DIY stuff, this stuff can look intimidating, so that's why I make these little battery videos. But we have a bad starter. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.